Well, good morning and Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day and I am going to film sewing some journaling cards and tags. That's what I'll be doing today. Maybe some other things. Oh yes, I'm going to sew these ribbons to my patches so we can pull them in and out of pockets. And yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. And I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thank you for stopping by. So I'm also sewing a fabric flip onto a page in this book, and this is what I thought I would do to the top. I'm going to use this ribbon and then this little sunflower ribbon that I got at Dollar Tree, and I took the yellow ribbons off of here. I thought they were too thick. I found this thinner ribbon that I'm going to sew onto them instead. And so now we do have this one. These are all journaling cards, although he's a little bit too young to journal. I might write some cute little things on the back for him, like how much I love him and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and sew this fabric flip, and then I'm going to also sew some buttons across the top. We've got a truck and a fire truck, a motorcycle, what else? A police car, and a helicopter. I'm not going to put them all across. Actually, I could leave that ribbon out and just sew some buttons across the top. That might actually be kind of cute. As you can see, I've sewn all the ribbons onto the little patches, and what I'm doing is I'm taking my clear pockets and I'm putting them on pictures of, like here you see the police station. The patches will go in the clear pockets, and then my grandson will be able to pull them out easily. He won't have to go digging around in there, which could rip the the page. So he'll just be able to pull them out and put them in, and that's going to be hopefully entertaining to him. I've put the rest of the book over here. This is the cover, and what I did off camera was I sewed the flip right onto the page, so he won't be able to just yank it off very easily. But he is very good with books, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. But I do want to cover that up with something. And I also am going to sew a fabric pocket, but I'm going to reinforce it with cardstock onto one of the pages for the stickers. Alright, so this is a pocket that I have cut out and mounted on cardstock, and now I want to actually sew it right onto a page. Now I have these two map pages, but I don't think it's just not a good vibe like that. So what I think I'm going to do, and plus I want to sew it onto the page, and I don't want to see stitching on the cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it onto this and then glue this right on top of this map. So we'll still have the map of New York, but we're not going to have this map. Alright, now I just need to make sure. I think I have two of these. This is the one I marked to cut, So we will do that, and then we'll sew it onto the page and then glue it down. And hopefully that will work out good. Now, I'm not expecting this book to last forever because it is made out of mostly paper. Actually, it is made out of, well, there's fabric. Fabric and paper. And, you know, it's for a 2-year-old boy, so I'm not doing this with the, it's expectations that it wouldn't get ruined. I mean, he could easily ruin it or wear it out, so that's just fine with me. Right, so my pocket is sewed down, and now I'm just going to slather this all up with glue and glue it down to the page. It probably would have been sturdier if I sewed it right onto the page, but I didn't want to see stitching on the other side. So that's why I didn't do that. And you know, if something does happen to the book, I can always fix it. You know, if he rips a page or something falls out or comes unsewn, I can just fix that all up. No big deal. I think I need to widen the hole in my nozzle here. Took my doggie for a walk today. I'm always very alert when I'm walking the dog by myself to make sure no one is following me, because we have some sketchy people in our neighborhood. I got notices of it, and I think you know what I'm talking about. So I never go in to the storage unit area or like an uninhabited area really by myself, except I do sometimes cut through it on the way back home, and I'm always checking behind me to make sure no one is following me. I can always see ahead that no one is there. Looks like I might need to trim that off a little bit, but for now that's good. And this is what's going to go in the pocket, are stickers. We have several different stickers. Looks like we have this one too. So there's 3 different kinds of stickers that I can put in there, and I can just save these for if he needs any refills. So that's how that page is going to look, and I think it is adorable. So we're going to do that, and now next I have to figure out where I'm going to put my little pockets. I have all the little things made out. Firehouse, hospital, garbage, school, and the taxi driver. So we're going to have, I think, maybe 2 on each page. I need to make spots for my journaling cards and tags. And I also have the fabric flip here that I need to put something cool underneath. And I think, so yeah, we have this page there. So I think I'm going to, I've got 6 pockets. I think I'm going to put my pockets on these pages. So we'll have 2, 4, 6. I think that's good. And then I have that. So hopefully I have enough stuff to fill up the pages. So let's go ahead and put a couple of these down together. And then I am just going to kind of finish everything up and show you the final result in the next video. I need to hurry up and finish this because my grandson's birthday is in 4 days. So I want to get this done so I can give it to him. And I don't know how much more I have time to film. I just want to finish it. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll put that like that. Put the little guy in there. I don't want to push too hard with the glue being wet, but that's going to go in there. And now I have this one, and I thought maybe we could put one that's of a similar size here, the hospital. I'm going to put that right on top of that. See, when you pull the backing off, it's clear, and you can just stick it right on, like so. And then let's get our ambulance. Our ambulance will go in here. I need to cut the strings. So the ambulance is going to go right in here like this. And then he can just pull it out, put it back in. He likes to do that. Let's go ahead and glue this one down. Alright, so we have this part done. We've got each one on there. I did notice that my sticky pockets are not sticking that well. I had to put some tape underneath them, but I think that'll be okay, hopefully. And then here we have the other 2 pages, and I think that's going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful sunny day, and I hope you're happy, well, and healthy and safe, and we'll see you again for January, or for Junk Journal Januaries, and I think either the last 1 or 2, we'll have either 1 or 2 more videos for this series. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.